Welcome to Tool Mentorship, your go-to destination for in-depth tool reviews. If you're a woodworker, DIY enthusiast, or a professional contractor, you know that having a reliable workbench can make all the difference in your projects. A folding workbench provides portability, versatility, and durability, making it an essential tool for any workspace. But with so many options available, how do you choose the best one? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In today's video, we'll be reviewing the top 5 best folding workbenches you can buy right now. We'll break down their features, pros and cons, and help you find the perfect fit for your needs. Make sure to check the description box and the first comment for product links and the latest prices. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tool reviews. Let's get started. Worx Pegasus Folding Work Table and Sawhorse. Kicking off our list is the Worx Pegasus Folding Work Table and Sawhorse, perfect blend of convenience and durability. This workbench is designed for professionals and hobbyists who need a sturdy yet portable workspace. With a 31x25 tabletop, it offers ample surface area for cutting, drilling, and assembling materials. The adjustable clamps securely hold workpieces in place, preventing slippage during operation. Built from high-strength ABS plastic and aluminum, it can hold up to 300 pounds as a table and 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. One of its standout features is the linking capability, allowing you to connect multiple Pegasus tables for a larger workspace. The foldable design ensures quick and easy storage, making it a must-have for compact workshops. Whether you're a carpenter, plumber, or general contractor, this workbench is a game-changer. Check the description for pricing and availability. Keter Jobmade Portable Workbench and Miter Saw Table. Next up, we have the Keter Jobmade Portable Workbench and Miter Saw Table, powerhouse of durability and portability. Built from resin and aluminum, this workbench is weather-resistant and perfect for outdoor job sites. It supports up to 1,000 pounds, making it ideal for heavy-duty projects. The clamp system provides a firm grip, ensuring precision and stability while cutting or assembling. One of its most unique features is the built-in storage compartment, allowing you to keep screws, bolts, and hand tools within easy reach. Setting up the Jobmade is effortless. It folds down in seconds and weighs just 27 pounds, making it one of the most portable workbenches on the market. If you need a reliable workbench that's built to last, this is an excellent option. Check out the latest deals in the description. Black+Decker Workmade Portable Workbench. At number 3, we have a classic, the Black+Decker Workmade Portable Workbench. This versatile workbench is a staple in garages and workshops across the country. What makes it special? It features a heavy-duty steel frame that supports up to 550 pounds, making it suitable for all kinds of projects. The adjustable wise jaws provide a strong grip, allowing you to hold irregularly shaped materials securely. The dual height adjustment lets you switch between a workbench and a sawhorse, making it incredibly versatile. Plus, it folds up flat for easy storage. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable workbench for woodworking, repairs, or assembly, this is a fantastic choice. Click the link in the description to check it out. Worx WX066 Sidekick Portable Work Table. Coming in at number 2 is the Worx WX066 Sidekick Portable Work Table, one of the most compact and lightweight workbenches available. Weighing just 13 pounds, this workbench is perfect for those who need a portable yet sturdy surface. The steel-reinforced tabletop holds up to 300 pounds and features an interlocking system that allows you to connect multiple sidekicks for a larger workspace. One of its best features is the anti-slip surface, preventing materials from moving around while you work. This workbench is ideal for small workshops, DIY projects, and on-the-go professionals. It folds up in seconds and comes with carrying handles for easy transport. If you need a reliable secondary workspace, this is a top pick. Check the description for the latest price. Keter Folding Table Workbench. Finally, taking the number 1 spot is the Keter Folding Table Workbench, the ultimate combination of strength, functionality, and portability. Designed for professionals and DIYers alike, this workbench supports up to 1,000 pounds, making it one of the strongest on the market. The heavy-duty resin and aluminum frame ensures long-term durability, and the quick opening system allows for effortless setup in under 30 seconds. It features two 12-inch clamps, providing a firm hold on workpieces, making it ideal for sawing, drilling, and assembly. The spacious work surface measures 33.5 x 21.6, giving you plenty of room for large projects. Best of all, it folds down compactly for easy storage and transportation. If you're serious about getting the best folding workbench, the Keter Folding Table Workbench is the one to beat. Check the description for the best deals. There you have iTour Top 5 Best Folding Workbenches for 2025. Each of these workbenches offers unique features, so whether you need a lightweight, portable solution or a heavy-duty, high-capacity workbench, there's something for everyone. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And remember, all product links are in the description and the first comment, so make sure to check them out for the latest prices and deals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our expert tool reviews. Thanks for watching Tool Mentorship. See you in the next video.